the worst kept secret in local football. Rudolph Speid gets a second consecutive short-term stint as the coach of the Reggae Boyz. Amidst the general disgust of Jamaican football fans, Speid will be in charge again for at least the 2 upcoming games in the Unity Cup tournament up there in England. And look, the appetite for Reggae Boyz football is at its lowest right now. After that depressing failure to beat some little Caribbean teams and qualify for the World Cup, we're getting the sense that nobody know really business with the Reggae Boyz at the moment. We are fully stressed. Whether they win, lose or draw, no one cares right now. We need a break from the toxicity, the incompetence and the depression associated with that catastrophic failure. And who did the JFF come up with to rescue the sinking ship? The man who basically sink the ship in the first place. That's the JFF for you. Go and figure.